At the Byeolseo site of Baeksasil Valley, you can see a beautiful pond and 6 pavilion cornerstone. Baeksasil Valley was called Baekseokdongcheon in the Joseon Dynasty. Dongcheon means a place with an outstanding view, like the Byeolcheonji, where Shinseon lives. In other words, Baekseokdongcheon means a beautiful mountain stream of Baekaksan and a scenic place. In the rock at the point of about 150 meters from the architecture along the upper stream of the valley toward the Bukaksan. Text hand carved on a rock called Baekseokdongcheon remains. Baekseok means white rock. It can be seen as a metaphor for Baekseok Mountain, a famous mountain in China, and it can also be interpreted as the meaning of the place beneath Baekak Mountain. Another name for Bukak, Dongcheon means a town where the god lives because the scenery is beautiful. Baekseokdongcheon means a beautiful rocky town located on the Mount Baekak. On the opposite peak rock located in the west direction from the architecture site, a cornerstone called Wolam remains. It is located at the ridge of about 30 meters away from the architecture. There is a half-moon-shaped rock just below the opposite mountain ridge. Wolam is located in the direction of straight west, so it is the first place where the new moon rises every month. When you sit at the sarangche in Baekseokdongcheon, you can see a crescent moon hanging over this rock. It means a rock that greets the moon or moon rocks.